guys, Mark from Changeworks. Just a little introduction to the nature inspirational little pictures that I'm going to send you. This is just for you to see how beautiful the world and nature is in terms of animals as well as the geography of the world. I'll speak to you after the video and enjoy. So there you go, guys. How beautiful is the world? How beautiful is nature when it is left to its own devices? Please do all the YouTube admin, the share, subscribe, comments, all that kind of stuff. And I hope that you've enjoyed and appreciate the beautiful place that we live. This thing called Earth. But for now, I will speak to you soon from Mark from Changeworks.